Alright, remember in our previous video when we talked about the Mavic 4 Pro pricing? Well, it turns out DJI is keeping things pretty steady, at least for the base model. The price is right in line with the Mavic 3 Pro, which is good news for those expecting a big jump. But when it comes to bundles, things get a little unpredictable. Some prices are up, some are down, making it a bit of a roller coaster for buyers trying to figure out the best deal. Now, thanks to Jasper Ellens and his sharp eye for leaks, we've got an early look at the accessory prices as well. Apparently, an international DJI retailer updated their listings a little too soon. Whether it was accidental or a strategic move, we can't say for sure. Either way, it gave us our first official glimpse at what accessories will be available at launch and how much they'll cost. Here's what we're looking at, all converted to USD. The Intelligent Flight Battery is priced at $180, while the Parallel Charging Hub comes in at $100. If you need extra propellers, they'll cost $19, and a propeller guard is available for $39. Now, moving on to some of the more premium add-ons, the electronic ND filter is set at $220. If you're thinking about protecting your investment, DJI Care Refresh plans are also listed, $225 for a 1-year plan and $365 for a 2-year plan. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The electronic ND filter is still a separate purchase at $220, which is a bit surprising. I really thought this would be the year DJI finally integrated ND filters into the camera. But nope, they're sticking with the old approach, making it an extra expense for users who want that added level of control over their footage. The leaked images reveal something intriguing. The front of the camera snaps off to expose a connection point for the electronic filter. And this raises a big question. Could DJI be planning to ship the drone without the ND filter included? If that's the case, third-party brands might already be gearing up to release their own cheaper, non-electronic alternatives. Look, I get it. Saving money is tempting, and third-party options can be easy on the wallet. But let's be real, they just can't match the precision and quality of a built-in electronic ND filter. When it's integrated directly into the device, you get rock-solid performance and next-level control. Standalone filters? They're like off-brand soda. They might do the job, but they'll never quite hit the mark like the real deal. So, what do you think about these accessory prices? Personally, I think DJI is keeping things relatively affordable, considering the level of tech we're dealing with. Even Jasper Ellens speculated that this could be due to trade tariffs or simply that DJI has hit a price ceiling on pro-level consumer drones. And trust me, this is just the beginning of the Mavic 4 Pro leaks. More promo images, specs, and juicy details are bound to surface in the coming weeks. So, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Peace.